Ni hao everybody, it's Mark and I'm here in Hong Kong to do level 1 training for Project Nomad. Hong Kong has been a special administrative region since the transfer of sovereignty from Britain in 1997. It now has a population of over 7 million, governed by an executive council. Hong Kong is financially independent from China and handles its own internal affairs, while the Chinese government protects the SAR and dictates foreign policy for the region. In a sense, this makes Hong Kong a country within a country. Visas are still required to enter it, and most last only 7 days, which was why our 14 attendees for the class would not arrive until late Monday to start level 1 training. Much like New York or London, Hong Kong public transit is the best way to get around, so we took a train, then a taxi to our training location on Ma Wan Island.
Hong Kong!
Day 1 of the training started at 5 p.m. Monday. The following day allowed the students to see what the Nomad kits look like, and many instantly saw the potential. Much like the event sponsor, Pastor Wing Wong, did when he first learned of Project Nomad.
It's a good way to present the gospel, especially to people who never had any understanding of Christianity, no church background at all. Even talking right now, I pop up in my mind, oh man, those minority tribes in China, you see? And we can make a program just geared to their cultures, using their tradition, and lead them to understand there's a better way, there's a God, a true God.
This is the case with iPad in it.
Timothy Jai Kumar, team leader of Project Nomad Chennai, was able to join us in Hong Kong to help train the class as well as be certified as a regional trainer. His presentations were well received, and being part of the class gave him a new perspective.
I really feel good because I know I was doing it there in India, but that was little, and then when I moved in here and actually started this training, I feel that what we are involved in is much bigger than what I actually thought. This is the first international training that I'm involved in, and I'm able to see these people from China come over here and learn media, and that makes me feel that I'm in a special ministry. Yeah.
One of those attending the class, Pastor Scott Smith, is quite familiar with GNPI's media ministry. 14 years ago, he played a small role in GNPI's film, The Source of Love. Scott realizes now, just as he did then, the importance of using media for ministry.
If you really have a target message that you want, you may not be able to find that specifically. And so if you can make your own without too much to do, but still do it reasonably well, that's great.
Despite a distant typhoon causing heavy rain most of the week, the attendees have already used the kits for doing interviews and will begin editing their video projects for the rest of the week's assignment.
Hey Mark, I'm rolling.
Oh, sorry. Well, so as you can see, we're having a really good time here in Hong Kong. The students are learning a lot. We're going to wrap things up on Sunday, and then we're going to head to Chennai, India with and meet with Timothy and his team. Hey, say hi, Timothy.
Hi.
So that's it from here, from Hong Kong, and I guess we'll see you in a week.